Today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. It is available in two sizes, 42 and 46 millimeters. We have the 42 millimeters version of the watch. Let's see what's inside the box. It has 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels. It comes with a USB Type-A charging dock, which is magnetic, and you can connect it to a power adapter or a computer USB port. Here we have the paperwork, the starting guide and the warranty. We connect the charger to our PC to charge it. Everything goes well. The battery will be full in about 1.5 hours.